Deep beneath this quiet landscape lies a hidden world. A world of secrets, mystery, and unanswered questions. Today, we're diving into an underground bunker that has baffled historians, scientists, and conspiracy theorists alike. Welcome to Mysteries Unearthed, where the unknown becomes unforgettable. At first glance, this might look like just another old military site. But let me tell you, it's anything but ordinary. This is a bunker built for more than survival. It's built for secrecy. And the secrets it holds might just change everything we think we know. The origins of the bunker. A puzzle without a key. Danny Trejo. Let's start with the basics. When was this place built? Who built it? And most importantly, why? No one has been able to answer these questions definitively. But as we step further inside, we're about to uncover some clues. Dr. Elaine Carter, historian. The first records of this bunker's existence date back to the 1950s, but there's no documentation about who commissioned it or why. Some believe it was a Cold War fallout shelter, but the materials and design suggest it might be much older. Alan Michaels, survivalist. The level of detail in this construction is extraordinary. Whoever built this wasn't just preparing for nuclear war, they were preparing for something much bigger. Blueprints recovered from nearby archives hint at a network of tunnels and chambers far more complex than necessary for a simple shelter. So what were they preparing for? Secrets hidden beneath the surface. Danny Trejo. Check this out. These markings don't match anything we've seen in modern history. And this map, it points to places that aren't even on official records. What were they mapping down here? Dr. Marcus Lee, engineer. This bunker features advanced engineering techniques that weren't commonly used until decades later. The ventilation system alone is sophisticated enough to sustain life for years. It's like they knew something we didn't. Dr. Lydia Stone, archaeologist. These carvings resemble symbols from ancient cultures, but they've been altered, almost like someone was trying to encode a message. This bunker wasn't just for protection, it was a vault for knowledge. Here we go, this door. Solid steel, reinforced with layers of concrete, and locked tight. Whatever's behind it, someone didn't want it getting out, or anyone getting in. The team uses specialized equipment to open the door, revealing a hidden chamber filled with artifacts. Mysterious metal objects, faded documents, and an array of strange, glowing crystals. What is this? Is it some kind of ancient technology? A power source? Or something even more extraordinary? Theories and speculation, fact or fiction. So what does this all mean? There are a few theories floating around, and let me tell you, they're as wild as they are fascinating. Dr. Elaine Carter. This could have been a secret military installation where experimental weapons or technology were tested. But the lack of documentation is unusual, even for classified projects. Alan Michaels. Some believe this bunker was built as a refuge for the world's most powerful people. A place to ride out the apocalypse while the rest of us were left to fend for ourselves. Dr. Lydia Stone. The artifacts and symbols found here don't align with any known culture or technology. Could this be evidence of contact with extraterrestrial beings? Aliens? Maybe. But if that's true, what were they doing here? And what else might they have left behind? What lies ahead? Here's the thing, this bunker raises more questions than it answers. And while we've uncovered some incredible finds, the real mystery remains unsolved. But one thing's for sure, this place wasn't built just to hide. It was built to protect something. Or someone. What do you think? Was this bunker part of a secret government project, a sanctuary for the elite, or proof of contact with something not of this earth? Share your theories in the comments. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more deep dives into the unknown. Join me, Danny Trejo, as we continue to unearth the mysteries that lie hidden beneath our world. This is Mysteries Unearthed.